Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB's Legal Beat. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience with us, and if you're preparing for any competitive exams after your law, then you're at the right place. LegalB provides you exclusive videos for your preparation for various competitive examinations like SEBI Graded Legal Officer, RBI Grade B, IBPS SO Law, IBPS RRB, etc. इन सारे एग्जाम के ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज आप हमारे वेबसाइट पे जाके चेक कर सकते हैं। आप इन कोर्सेज के डेमो भी एक्टिवेट करके देख सकते हैं। इन केस ऑफ एनी क्वेरीज, राइट टू अस एन ईमेल ऑन hello@iexamb.com, call us on this number 9205524028 or write to us in the comment section of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and download our app for 50% faster job preparation. In this video today, I am going to discuss with you all the minimum time that is required to cover SEBI Grade A legal syllabus at once. आपको कितना समय लगेगा कि आप SEBI Grade A legal syllabus एक ही बार में पूरा पढ़ लें, समझ लें conceptually, and also I'm going to tell you the time included for practicing questions in this. This is the minimum time that is required which we are going to discuss. ये question काफी students के mind में रहता है कि कितना time हमारे पास है और कितना time हमें लगेगा. Definitely this depends from person to person, but on an average we are focusing on the minimum time कि इससे कम में तो नहीं हो सकता आपका preparation. So that we are going to discuss in this video today. Watch till the end, and in case of doubts you can reach out to us. Also, I will make an announcement of a free workshop that is going to be held on 18th of November. How to start preparation for the SEBI Graded Legal Officer Exam 2025. 18 November at 6 p.m. Ms. Vidika Bansal, our legal expert, she will be dealing with all the important points relating to your preparation, how you can start, and you can also clarify your doubts. You can register for the workshop now only. It is attached in the description of this video. सारे details और registration link आपको वीडियो के description में मिल जाएगा. So do check it out. Let us talk about the exam pattern of SEBI Graded Legal Officer exam first. Phase 1 is an online examination which consists of 2 papers. First paper is common for all the streams and legal part is there in the second paper. दोनों ही phases में आपका legal part जो है वो paper 2 रहेगा for legal syllabus that we are going to talk about today. 100 marks questions and that is duration will be 40 minutes. All are MCQ questions in the first phase. Negative marking is going to be there. Remember कि सारे ही questions first phase में MCQ based रहने वाले हैं. Second phase, first paper is descriptive English which is common for all the streams, legal के अलावा भी. Paper 2 is for legal stream. It has 70 MCQs and 3 descriptive questions from the legal stream as well. So remember, you have descriptive section for English as well as for law. For law, 3 descriptive questions can be asked from such a vast syllabus that has been provided to you for phase 2. And यहाँ पे भी 70 जो MCQs है उसके लिए आपको negative marking रहेगी. Duration will be 60 minutes for descriptive questions and 60 minutes for the MCQs, and the weightage will be 2/3. 40% is your cutoff. Now, strategizing your preparation is important over here. Even if we are going to talk about the timelines, first we have to understand the points that you have to keep in mind when you are doing your preparation. Carve out all the important topics. जो भी टॉपिक्स इंपॉर्टेंट है पहले आपको उन्हें प्रायोरिटी देना बहुत जरूरी है. आइडेंटिफाई योर स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड वीकनेसेस बिकॉज दिस डिपेंड्स फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन. अगर आपने LLB में बहुत अच्छे से कोई सब्जेक्ट की पढ़ाई की है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, लेकिन कंपनी लॉ आपका बहुत वीक है, आपने बिल्कुल भी नहीं पढ़ा है, या जस्ट फॉर एग्जाम यू हैव स्टडीड. So this depends your strengths and weaknesses, and this will decide how much time you can give to which subject. The subject which is weak, definitely you have to give more time to it because that is also important in the examination. So ये 2 points आपको पता होना चाहिए. Then only you can make a strategy for yourself. Practice mock tests. Mock test practice gives you an idea, a first-hand experience of what kind of examination questions will be there, how questions will be framed, किस तरीके से आपको आपकी preparation करनी है, all those things. Descriptive answer writing also is there, so you have to practice that as well. So you have to manage time for practicing descriptive answer writing. This also depends upon the persons, those who are already good at writing answers, and some of them who are not good at it. They are not very expressive. they can read the content, remember, but they are not able to express it in the examination. ये problem काफी students का होता है. तो descriptive section में उनको ये problem आ सकता है because अभी legal section में descriptive भी आ चुका है. So you can focus more time on it and invest more time on it from the start itself and develop skills for that. This is your syllabus. One good thing about SEBI legal exam is that the syllabus is very defined. They have already given you that this is the syllabus and these are the parts from where questions will be asked, and this is the weightage. 20% for constitution with specification that these are the parts from where questions will be asked. In that also, if you check the previous year papers, you can get clarity कि कौन से questions पूछे जाते हैं ज़्यादा, कौन से parts ज़्यादा important है. So SEBI legal की एक बहुत अच्छी बात है that they give you the syllabus very definite and they also give you the weightages. So this is the first phase syllabus: constitution, contracts, CPC, TP, arbitration, conciliation, limitation, administrative law, jurisprudence, interpretation, important Latin terms and maxims, torts and consumer protection. Check the weightages and accordingly divide your time. Phase 2 is dealing with criminal law. In that, the new criminal laws also you have to incorporate. It is very important that you study in a comprehensive manner. जो भी changes आए हैं, जो भी important case laws है, क्योंकि phase 2 में descriptive sections भी है. Don't forget that 3 descriptive questions are going to be asked: corporate laws and securities laws. So all these are going to be asked even in MCQ form and even in the descriptive form. So this is something again you have to be very clear, and from that point of view you have to make your own strategy. अब हो सकता है इसमें से किसी का सिक्योरिटीज लॉ काफी वीक हो, सो वो लोग उसको पहले स्टार्टिंग में ही कर सकते हैं जब आपके पास थोड़ा टाइम ज्यादा होता है एंड योर माइंड इज रिलैक्स. एंड इफ यू हैव अ वेरी गुड हैंग ऑन अदर सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स, like constitution, that you can keep in the later months of your preparation. So now coming to the minimum time that is required. Now this I have given you is very cut to cut time. Don't forget that it is 3 months which I would suggest over here, but this is very cut to cut time. You have to give most of your times for the studies in these 3 months. If you are working somewhere, then definitely you have to take out a lot of time in these 3 months. क्योंकि जो ऑलरेडी काम कर रहे हैं, जो कहीं बिजी है, पूरा दिन टाइम नहीं दे पा रहे हैं, then it may extend further also. And again, it depends upon your grasping power, upon your availability of time, and your good base which you have in the graduation or not. Depends upon all these factors: level of preparation, understanding, grasping power, as I told you. So average अगर हम उसको 3 months पकड़ के चले, इससे कम मत पकड़ना because 3 months तो minimum है, इससे ज्यादा वो होगा ही. Keep that in mind, but minimum की हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं in one go if you have to prepare. Now this is not inclusive of your revision. Revision will require separate time, and this preparation is inclusive of your reading, practice questions and mock tests. Now this is what is a tentative timeline that I have provided you over here. In your first month, I would suggest you to take up securities law and criminal law. Securities law and criminal law can be a good combination that can be taken up in the first month, and along with that you can take up descriptive answer writing practice. If you take this in the first month itself, what will happen? You will have a good link of the subject also. Too many acts you can't cover at one go. आपको लिंक लगने में भी टाइम लगता है, एंड ये जो सब्जेक्ट है जिसका आपको सिक्योरिटीज लॉ वगैरह का आपको टेंशन भी रहता है, जिसमें डिस्क्रिप्टिव भी है, एमसीक्यूज भी है और डिटेल स्टडीज की रिक्वायरमेंट है, सो दैट यू कैन टेक अप इन द फर्स्ट मंथ. Along with that, check out the previous year papers, because when you will check out the previous year papers, you will get the idea that what is important and what has to be your approach towards these subjects. In the second month, you can take up corporate laws. Along with that, you can take up contracts, CPC and Limitation Act. This you can manage in the second month. Take up descriptive answer writing over here as well, and along with that, subject specific MCQs you can take for contracts, CPC, Limitation Act and even corporate laws. ये इनके भी MCQ based questions तो आपको solve करने ही हैं, but यहाँ पे descriptive answer writing आपका पूरी तरीके से cover हो जाता है within your second month itself. Then in your third month, you can give more time to your first phase subjects, that is constitution, TP Act, arbitration, conciliation. ये short acts है, इनका syllabus भी काफी specific है, जैसे TP Act वगैरह का, torts, consumer protection, वेटेज भी अगर आप देखोगे, jurisprudence इंटरप्रिटेशन, these are very theoretical subjects, बट इनका वेटेज अगर आप देखोगे तो ये कम है. सो ये आप थर्ड मंथ में कवर कर सकते हो, गिविंग मोर टाइम टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डेफिनेटली, Latin terms, maxims, and here you can focus more on the mock test solving. You can focus more on the solving of MCQs. Mock test solving will help you in time management over here, and already you have covered the syllabus in first and second month, so you are ready to give the mock tests also by now. Subject specific MCQs तो आपको gradually evening times में आप plan कर सकते हो, like you read in the morning and you plan your studies, mock test solving in the evening. Okay, this can be quite flexible for those who are full time into their studies and preparation. Definitely जो लोग कहीं जॉब कर रहे हैं या प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं एंड साइड बाय साइड पढ़ रहे हैं, उनका टाइम टेबल थोड़ा सा चेंज होगा. दिस आई एम टेलिंग यू नाउ ओनली बिकॉज आपके पास शायद उतना टाइम ना हो कि आप हर एक चीज को इस तरीके से 3 months में मैनेज कर पाओ. बट डेफिनेटली you can come to with your queries to us if you are not able to adjust your timeline. Give priority to your studies first, and the question solving and all you can reduce somewhere in the initial months. एक बार आपकी studies complete हो गई, then you can focus on the question solving and the revision part, जो लोग कहीं पे काम कर रहे हैं. So that can extend for those people. But this is the minimum time that is required for you to go through the entire SEBI Grade A legal syllabus in one go. So this is all that I wanted to share with you all. I hope this video is beneficial for you and your doubts and queries are getting solved. You are getting more clarity in your preparation. Prepare 50% faster with us at iExamBee. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Download our app from the Google Play Store and check out the live classes. Full course access available. Thank you everybody.